In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Crusader Kings 3 on the PlayStation 5. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to purchase Crusader Kings 3 for the PlayStation 5 and play it on your console. You can find it on the PlayStation Store by either going into it on the actual console itself or through the PlayStation website, as I'm gonna be demonstrating here. So if you access the website, you will find the PlayStation Store over here at the top. You can click on Store and then select Buy Games, and you can browse through all of the latest releases. You can also use the search function at the top to look for Crusader Kings 3. Once you find Crusader Kings 3, this is what the page for the game is going to look like. As you can see, they have the PlayStation 5 version listed here, the standard edition. You can either do a trial, or you can pay $49.99 to add the base game to your cart and purchase it. You also have the option to purchase the Royal Edition of the game, and this will give you the expansion pass and this other expansion, Fashion of the Abbasid Court. Anyways, as long as you purchase the base edition for Crusader Kings 3, you will be able to play it on your PlayStation 5. You can also buy the add-ons later, separately, and as long as you find the game made by Paradox Interactive under the PlayStation Store, you will be able to purchase and start playing right away. So that's all you have to do: add the game to your cart or do a trial before purchasing, and sign in with your PlayStation account to access Crusader Kings 3 on the PlayStation 5. Once you are done purchasing the game, you will be able to play it indefinitely, and you can browse through the add-ons later. You have all the features over here, so online play is optional. Usually it is a single player game. It supports up to 12 online players with PlayStation Plus, and you will need it for online play. The PlayStation 5 version will have some features related to the DualSense controller and also game help if necessary. Browse through the game info at the bottom if you wish. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Crusader Kings 3 on the PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.